Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna make this beautiful drawstring bag. The materials are 2.50mm crochet hook, two different colors of polyester yarns, a pair of yarn scissors and a tapestry needle. Firstly, make a slip knot. Make 23 chains. These are the 23 chains. Then make the first single crochet in the second chains from the hook. After that, make one single crochet in each of the chain stitches. This is the first row of reversible single crochet. I will make 96 rows, then I will have 70 side stitches. This is what the first row looks like. To start the new row, firstly, make one chain, turn the work, and make one single crochet in each of the next stitches. Repeat these actions to make the next rows. This is the last row of reversible single crochet. Don't forget to put a stitch marker on the last single crochet, then I will show you there are 4 corner stitches that need to be filled with 2 single crochets. This is the first one. You can easily find it. This is the second one. Then this one is the third one. And the last single crochet is the fourth corner stitch that need to be filled with 2 single crochets. Now make one single crochet in each of the normal stitches and 2 single crochets in each of the corner stitches. This one is the fourth corner stitch. Take off the stitch marker and make 2 single crochets in it. Then make slip stitch in the next one stitch. Now I'm gonna make the main pattern. Start with one chain, then make 3 incomplete half double crochet in the same stitch. This is the first row. This is the first rounds of the main pattern. Let's start with one chain and 3 incomplete half double crochet, then yarn over, pull it through all loops. Then make a secure chains. After that, skip one stitch and make 3 incomplete half double crochet in the next one stitch. This is how to make a puff stitch. 2, 3, yarn over, pull it through all loops in the hook and secure. Repeat again, skip one stitch, then make 3 incomplete half double crochet in the next one stitch. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull it through all loops in the hook and secure. Okay, this one is the last buff pattern. This buff pattern is made of 3 incomplete half double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, make 3 incomplete half double crochet in the next 1 stitch, 2, 3, yarn over, pull it through all the loops and make a secure chains. Then make a slip stitch in the top of the first buff pattern. Okay, then make another slip stitch in a chain space. Make 1 chain to start the second round, then make 2 incomplete half double crochet in a chain space. Yarn over, pull it through all loops, then make 1 secure chain. Go to the next space, make 3 incomplete half double crochet, then yarn over, pull it through all loops and make 1 secure chains. I'd like to tell you that the first buff pattern of the second and of the next rows is made of 1 chains followed by 2 incomplete half double crochet. It's different from the first buff pattern of the first round. Then the next buff pattern is made of 3 incomplete half double crochet. This one is the last buff pattern of the second round. Make 3 incomplete half double crochet down, yarn over, pull it through all loops and make 1 secure chains. Down, make a slip stitch on the top of the first buff pattern. Make 1 more slip stitch in the secure chain space. Then make 1 chain to start the third round, followed by 2 incomplete half double crochet in the secure chain space. Yarn over, pull it through all loops and make 1 secure chain. Okay, it's very easy, isn't it? Let me show you what this pattern looks like. It's so gorgeous and so amazing. Have a look. Then make the next buff pattern. The next buff pattern are made of 3 incomplete half double crochet. Okay, grab the yarn, make 3 incomplete half double crochet in the next space. Yarn over, pull it through all loops and make 1 secure chains. Repeat this action over and over again until you get the height you desire. This one is the last buff pattern of the last round. Yarn over, pull it through all loops and make 1 secure chains. Then make a slip stitch in the top of the first buff pattern. To make it look gorgeous, I only made 4 rounds of buff pattern using different colors of yarns, and I made the last round of buff pattern using the previous yarn. After that, make chain 1 and make spiral single crochet. The single crochet is made in each of the stitches and in each of the secure chain spaces. Make 1 single crochet in the stitch, then make 1 single crochet in the secure chain space. Back to 1 single crochet in this stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in the secure chain space. Repeat this action to make 6 rounds of spiral single crochet. This is the last rounds of the spiral single crochet. Let me complete this one first. This one is the beginning point of the spiral single crochet. I will end it up with a slip stitch. After that, make 2 chains. These 2 chains represent the first double crochet. Then make 5 more double crochet. There are 6 double crochet in total, including the 2 chains. After that, make 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, then make 3 more double crochet. This is what the pattern looks like. Make one chain before repeating this pattern to complete this round. Make slip stitch on the top of the normal double crochet. Then make 2 chains. 1, 2. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches. One double crochet in this chain space. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. One double crochet in this chain space. Repeat this action to complete these rounds and make it as much as 4 rounds. Make a slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet. Then hide this yarn tail using the upholstery needle. This beautiful drawstring bag is almost done, and this is what it looks like. I have made 2 long chains as the drawstring ropes and a handle for this bag. You can attach them the way you like it, and this is how I do it. Well everyone, have a look. This drawstring bag looks so beautiful and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!